In this video, I will show you how to download FIFA 22. So the first step is going to your browser and type Steam. Press enter and then click on the first link. After that, go to the search bar and type FIFA 22 and press enter. Here you can see FIFA 22. Click on the FIFA 22 and scroll down. But as you can see that the FIFA 22 is no longer available on Steam store, so I will show you the next method. Make a new tab and type MMOGA, then click on the first link and you will land on this page. Type FIFA 22 in the search bar. Scroll down and here you can download FIFA 22 for PC and also Xbox. It cost about $60. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.